Seated bench dumbbell squat. Grab a heavy dumbbell and descend under control. Lower yourself until your glutes gently touch the bench. The bench isn't there to rest on, it's there to give you a consistent depth target for every rep. The moment your glutes make contact, drive straight back up by pushing through your whole foot. Now, let's move to one of the most effective unilateral exercises you can do, the Bulgarian split squat. Hold a dumbbell in each hand or use body weight while learning the movement. This exercise places a challenging workload on the quads and glutes without requiring extremely heavy weights.